Check this out. This is the brand new gimbal from Zhiyun, and it's the Smooth Q2. And we're gonna go film with this thing, film some smooth cinematic shots with the iPhone XR and see what this puppy can do. Well, it's not really a puppy, it's a gimbal. I mean, that'd be weird if I was holding a puppy. Although it'd be very adorable. So I literally got this gimbal yesterday, so I didn't have much time to play with it. And so I'm just gonna give you my first impressions of it because they just launched a Kickstarter. And so if you wanna check it out, link in the description. The cool thing about the gimbal is that it is extremely small, so you could literally put it in the back of your pocket. Setting up the gimbal is actually pretty easy. So once you place the phone holder onto your phone, simply snap your phone setup into the gimbal and use the red latch to lock in place. Pretty cool. And once the phone is on, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for a couple seconds. And skadoosh. The cool thing about the Smooth Q is that it has a battery life of 17 hours. And the Smooth Q can act as a power bank to charge your mobile device. Pretty cool. Operating the gimbal is super easy, and all you have to do is remember 1 click forward, 2 clicks back. 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 So basically, if you want to cycle through each gimbal mode, all you have to do is press the joystick button once, and then it'll move to the next mode. And if you want to go back to the previous mode, press the joystick button twice. So the first mode is pan follow mode, which locks the tilt axis, which frees up the gimbal to do really cool panning shots. The next mode is lock mode, so all axes are locked, and so you can go in different positions, and the gimbal will keep that position in place. Next mode is follow mode, which is my favorite, and basically that unlocks all the axes, and that way you can move anywhere you want. Next mode is POV mode, and that'll give you that really cool Dutch angle effect. And so if you want to do some really cool non-traditional gimbal movements, then you can definitely do so in POV mode. Press it one more time and that'll bring you to Vortex mode. And then now you can do those really cool infinite loops like Inception status, just in case you want to be all artsy and stuff. Or dizzy. I'm getting real dizzy just looking at it. So Vortex mode has obviously been pretty much all the gimbals out there, but I've never really found a reason to film in Vortex mode other than just to make myself dizzy. And I mean, I'm not like Sam Colder doing those cool flips. I mean, I can't do a flip. I can do a cartwheel though. I know, you're probably asking, can I attach a lens on this phone and will this gimbal support it? And the answer is probably not. I did try to put a phone case on the phone and attach it to the gimbal, but it kind of kept slipping out, and so I wouldn't recommend putting a case on your phone with this gimbal. Again, this is really just for creators that just use their phones natively and who want to film smooth cinematic shots. So there you go, Phil. And Karen, freaking Karen. So probably one of my favorite features of the Q2 is the fact that you can use the record button and use the native camera app on your phone to record. That's dope! So even if you don't have the ZY Play app and you just want to use the native camera app on your phone, you can totally do so. Hi, how's it going? So what do I think about this gimbal? Well, right off the bat, I think it's a really fun gimbal. I mean, we're still waiting for the app to not be in beta, and so there's a lot more features for me to play with, like time-lapse, motion time-lapse, and other things. But as a gimbal itself, to film smooth shots with your phone, I think is really cool, especially the fact that it is so tiny and you can fit it in the back of your pocket. And so if you want to check out the Smooth Q2, Zhiyun just launched their Kickstarter campaign, and you can check it out and support them in the link below. Woo, that was fun. You had fun? I had fun. I had fun. Can you hear this? That's where my mic is. And my heart. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Woo! Smooth Q2. Oh. I didn't mean to do that. Are you filming? Well, okay. So, oh, wow. Okay. Oh, my heart. Did you, oh, my heart was like in a panic. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Oh.